Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. OCGN. What a recovery from yesterday on the low of 49 cents. But before I talk on the technical side, folks, remember what's coming up tomorrow. Mr. Shankar is going to be talking about the OCGN's cell therapies and updates about the company on the the medical conference tomorrow. Yes, folks. So tomorrow you will be seeing some action coming up as soon as the market opens up during the time. Don't be surprised if you see a very high volume of people comes in, and you'll see a movement of this stock. I'm excited because I'm going to be logging in to see if what are the key growth of this company. Because once you invest in company, I like to be really fully invested and kind of go. Since I'm a long-term investor, I love to see where this company is heading. So far, I'm very impressed. But the news like this will fluctuate the stocks. OCGN especially going up and down. Yes, even I said it. I said down too because people will taking profits and pulling it down too. But a lot of good momentum is coming for tomorrow, right? It is a good momentum for uptrend coming tomorrow. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere because I'm going to talk on the technical side. So mark your calendar tomorrow in the morning. Once you see the pre-market, right after the market opens up, you see a massive movement going up and down throughout the day of tomorrow. Love to see more volume. Love to see more volume to push this price way over what is supposed to be, right? The target for this stock is $7, folks. $7 is the target on that, right? I'm sure everybody has their own plan when to sell, when to buy on that. So, as we spoke about yesterday, man, it came 49 cents and kind of traded below our 200-day moving average. We've been trading below our 60-day moving average. Look at my 60-day, which is the pink line right up here. That's my 60-day moving average. Clearly, it was acting as a massive resistance, and the next, even though we close above it, the next day we're trading below, right? So, what do we have for tomorrow? Today, it is we are trading above, right? Because our 60-day is sitting right at 51 cents and 51 cents, right? 90 51.82, and we are sitting at 52 cents, right? I'm rounding it off here, kind of close to 52 cents. Very key level to keep an eye. But our MACD is showing the sell off right here. So, but RSI is pointing up. It's going to be a very flat coming up too. But with the news coming up, I won't be surprised. We will be a less selling and going more uptrend on that. How did we do today and yesterday and today? Look at this, folks. A massive outflow, right? Outflow was more than our inflow. More sellers, right? And buys. Remember the short? I talked about the short sellers that in the news that broke out. They were talking about Mr. Shankar about how much the sellers, short sellers have taken over. I don't blame them, right? But if you're a bull, definitely you gotta make some grounds on that. But it's a massive sell-off. That's why you can see the price kind of pull back down. It was over 214,512. That's a lot, especially the stock like this if you're trading a penny stock. Overall, let's see key things, right? MACD still have the green thing. Volume is there, but you don't have this volume. Volume, we need something like this. More buyers to come and step in, right? MACD is still pointing at. RSI is still pointing down. Um, so that's why the buyers have taken over on that. The bears have taken over on that. 6 months, here you go, folks. So my pink line, the magic number, which I trade all my stocks on, and trend is your friend. Remember that. Clearly sees that the 60-day was acting as a massive support. Right now, it is a support. How did the market close down? But 54.14 cents. It is our resistance level. Even though that I have put a $58.55 because we did broke out, but we got rejected twice, or actually 3 times. 1, 2, and 3 times we got rejected on the 58 cents mark. So the baby steps is $54.14 that we gotta keep an eye this week to coming on. But the great news is that, yes, folks, there is a great news. You can see my MACD. which I was talking about. Once you have this yellow line cross over the blue line on the MACD, and you have this green bar, it is about to break that 54 cents. I won't be surprised that it will, if it's breaking, because as the technical side, I can see it going and breaking it, and then might be pulling back again. But because it is testing again, but it is a key resistance that we have time and time right here, folks. Time and time got rejected. So that gap of 54 cents is going to be coming in play very soon this week. So keep an eye to see where it's going to be broken up. But every time we broke through on that, we were on the down, like with the bulls were trying to break it but couldn't, with the bears were taking over. But we never had the green bar, folks, like this. Small, it's small and tiny, but it plays a massive role, right? Can move a mountain. So keep an eye on that, because it's something to keep in mind for this week. Year to date, right? Still some sort of a uptrend right here, where we tested our magic number was sitting at 65 cents, got rejected. Now we're still setting a support though. We are sitting above our support level, so which is great. Like I said, we are trading between two very important moving averages: EMA 200 and 60-day. Those are the two gaps we have. RSI still pointing up. It's not a crossover, but when we go back and look at our 6 months, right, on the 6 months, you can see that this is some signs of green dot over here, and we 60 days we're trading above. So that's why I said 54 cents. 54 cents is going to be a key level to break. Hey, folks, before I let you guys go, I'd love to hear your thoughts on OCGN, and what is your target price? What do you think this stock is supposed to be, right? And what is your, pretty much what is your target that I'm looking for, that what do you guys should be selling at? And the original target is $7. Love to see $7. So all can be rich on that. But it always goes in baby steps, right? We had the massive downtrend, that the all time from all the way to like 90 cents. We've been struggling that. So I'm gonna go back to 5 year, and chart and show you guys how where we got $18. I remember this stock way back in 2020 and 2021, right? So don't lose hope, right? If you are a bear, right? And I just have a plan. Have a plan. What do you want to do? I'm gonna keep doing this video to stay in tune with you guys, to give you guys update on that. I'm bringing the next update on Thursday, so stay tuned for more video coming on Thursday. But we are sitting on some sort of movement coming up, because our 6 months is something that I have been very keeping an eye. Has impressed me what I see right now, but it can change quickly. Yes, folks, it can change quickly if we broke through and we couldn't hold, because every time we acted as a support, the next day we couldn't hold it, couldn't even break our resistance level. We come down and come to the 49 cents. Well, the news is out. We're gonna be Mr. Shankar is gonna be talking tomorrow at 9 to 9:30. Love to hear his thoughts, and I'm gonna do a recap video on Thursday, monitoring the price of Wednesday and Thursday, and bring it to you guys. And the key things we're talked about, because this is the growth for the company that has very high potential on that, right? And they are not a company that that is not in demand, unfortunately, right? It is demand, which they are working on, and which is for a great cause, which I'm very excited about. And that's something that anything can happen in the lives, but something they are doing research and getting products out to make it better. Folks, I'll let you guys go. I'll see you guys on Thursday. Please, please, please. Love to hear your comments on down below, and smash that like button. Thank you for watching, and have a great week of trading. Thank you.